Hi, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Sorry,
Good
late.
evening, sir.
Sorry, late ho gaya. And
No,
your number starts with 85928 or 95264.
95264.
It's okay. Fine. Let me take your interview first. Your interview is on which date?
It's on August 1st.
August 1st. In which
Yeah,
place? In
it's
which
in
place?
Kottayam.
Kottayam. Very good. Is this the first interview or take second interview?
No, it is my first interview.
Acha, good. Now, can you please tell about yourself?
Yeah, sure. I am Alan Joseph. I am from Erimeli in Kottayam district. I am doing my, I am currently working as an associate analyst in one of the big four accounting firm known as Ernst & Young for the past 1 year. I have done my graduation in Masters of Business Administration from Berkman's Institute of Management Studies in Changanasheri, specializing in finance as major and marketing as minor. I have done my graduation in BCom, Finance and Taxation from St. Dominic's College, Kanjarapalli. Immediately after my graduation, I have joined in SR Management Private Limited as an accountant and worked there for 3 months on a temporary post. I was an active member of NSS during both plus 2 and degree. It is from this NSS program that I have got more leadership and team management skills. Apart from my full-time education, I have also done certification courses in Tally RP9, Capital Market Operations, and Microsoft Office Excel Specialist. And talking about my strength, I am optimistic, goal-oriented, and team person. And talking about my latest achievement, I have got a spot award from Ernst & Young for the dedication and perseverance shown at work. Then I am interested in playing badminton, stock market, and watching movies. My short-term goal is to get a job in a reputed bank, and my long-term goal is to be specialized in the field which I am working.
Good, very good. You are talking very well. When did you complete your MBA?
In 2021.
2020, 21.
Yeah.
That's right. You said some Ernst and Young. What is that?
Ernst & Young. It is EY. It is a multinational company headquartered in London. I am working as an associate analyst, means I'm working as preparing VAT return for the GCC companies in the GCC countries, that is in the Oman and Saudi Arabia.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. So you work for the Middle East.
Yeah, Middle East region.
Yeah. So what is the difference in income tax calculation between India and those countries? Is there any difference?
Yeah, there is difference. In India, we have income tax, but in Gulf countries, there is no income tax. There is only value added tax.
Wow.
In Saudi Arabia, it was implemented in only 2018, and in Oman, it was implemented in 2021. Before that, there was no tax there.
So you had VAT only, value added.
Yeah, value added tax.
How that tax is calculated?
It is calculated on standard rated purchase at 15% in Saudi Arabia, and in Oman, it is 5%. It is calculated on purchase and sales. The total VAT is output tax, output VAT minus input VAT.
Good. Now, what have you prepared for this interview?
Okay, I have gone through basic from my education qualification, then about current affairs, then about the company.
Oh, good. Now about Federal Bank, what did you learn?
Okay, Federal Bank is one of the India's leading private sector bank, headquartered in Alua. It has 1,291 branches across India and 665 branches in Kerala. And in Kerala, there is 58 branches in Kottayam district itself. Then talking about the last quarterly result, it was 1,83,355 lakhs crores total deposit, and its net NPA and gross NPA. Gross NPA is 2.69%, and it is net NPA is 0.91%, and its total capital is 421 crores. Then about its net profit, it is 601 crores, which is about 64% year-on-year growth. And talking about the products, it have okay, privileged customer, then loans, then credit cards, then wealth management and insurance services, then term deposit and saving deposits.
Oh, good. Now, have you gone through the website of our Federal Bank?
Yes, sir, I have gone.
What are the items that are impressive to you, and what changes would you like to suggest?
Okay, now I can see that there is a chat bot there, so we can avail service, especially the customers. The Federal Bank, they can avail services through the WhatsApp, or they can chat live with this a interactive thing, and they will get more services, like they will be getting balance. Then they will that thing will assist in the opening balance, opening the Federal Bank account, saving banks account, and also it will answer all our queries. That is the most attracting thing. Then it will post about all the products and about the services and latest news about the Federal Bank, that it has appointed MBS Murthy as its first chief marketing officer.
Yeah.
So these are the things which attracted me a lot.
Good. Now, supposing you are recruited in, how will you try to do marketing?
Okay, first I will approach my customer with a polite manner and with a smiling face. Then I will be interacting with a friendly manner. Then I will understand what all are the requirements, what are the things which they are looking for. Then I will assist them 100% in getting the customer satisfaction.
Yeah. Okay. Now, you are a commerce student and also finance students. They may expect a lot of details from you. Now tell me, what is the reason for present inflation?
Okay, there are global factors as well as domestic factors. And about talking about the global factors, the America, they have increased the interest rate, and because of that, the foreign institutional investors, they have pulled lots of money from our Indian stock exchange. So it increased the demand for dollar, and it decreased the demand for our Indian currency. So there is so this is first reason. The second reason is because of this, our imports are getting, means the cost of imports increase because we have to pay in foreign currency. So our foreign reserve is decreasing. The next thing is that the supply chain disruption that has caused because of the Ukraine and Russia war. Then the oil prices is increasing, so it will definitely affect the whole supply chain system in our country, and thus affecting all the prices of the goods.
Good. 1 minute.
Okay.
Just a minute. What is the nature of work you are doing in your present organization?
I'm working as an associate analyst. Here I am preparing the VAT return, means value-added tax return for the companies in the Saudi Arabia and Oman. For every month, they have to pay tax to the government. That is, in Saudi, it is zakat, and in Oman, it is Oman of Sultan. They have to pay this tax in every 28th of the month. And I am preparing the VAT return based on their income and expenditure. Means I will be identifying several risks associated with this transaction, and by detailed analysis, I will figure out what is the tax position of the company, and I will communicate to them.
How will you evaluate a borrower based on his balance sheets?
Okay, I will go through his assets and liabilities, and I will do some ratio analysis like current asset ratio, and then I will get to know about whether he is able to pay to the company, whether he is able to meet the short-term liabilities, and also I can do solvency ratios, whether the company is able to meet long-term borrowings. So even I can go to this cash flows as well as fund flow statement. to know what are the receipts and payment is getting.
Can you please tell me why capital is shown in liabilities?
Okay, capital is shown in liabilities because of the concept that is separate legal entity, because the company as well as the owners is viewed in a separate manner. So the transaction we are doing it in a separate manner.
Good, very good. Nice answering. Best, very nice, very happy. So your MBA subjects were finance and also
And
marketing.
marketing, yeah. My major subject is finance and my minor specialization is in marketing.
Oh, super, super. Finance. Please
Yes.
tell me about debt service coverage ratio.
Debt service coverage ratio. Sir, I don't know. I will definitely go through that.
You have to go through all the ratio analysis thoroughly.
Okay.
Now, and prepare about say debt service coverage ratio, then so many ratio analysis. Just go to Google, search as ratio analysis. You will get lot of new ratios. Prepare them.
Okay, sure, sir.
Very good. Now, what is your father?
My father, he was a businessman. Now he is retired person.
What business was he doing?
He was doing a supermarket in Qatar, mainly in
Oh,
Doha. Yeah,
he was running it or he was working there?
he was running it because of the COVID situation. We were in a situation where shutdown of that company. So
Got supermarket means it would have been very big one, nah?
yeah, big one. We have to pay huge rentals even if we don't have income. So this was a major issue.
So he closed it or he sold it to somebody else
Yeah, he sold it to someone.
on profit or loss?
Yeah, it was on a loss.
Obviously loss, correct?
Yeah.
So
Yes, sir.
what is he doing nowadays?
Nowadays, he is doing farming activities.
So what is the farming activities?
We have rabbit. Yeah, we have lots of rabbit. Then we have banana trees, all those things. Yeah.
So if you have a good number of them, why do you have to go for a job? Why don't you take care of the existing farm itself nicely?
No, sir. My dream job is to get a job in the reputed bank. I have joined in this organization only to meet my obligation of the families. Means I have to support the family. There is no other income. So I thought of joining in an organization and getting an experience there. And after that, I tried to chase my dreams.
You said there is no income, but you said your father is doing a rabbit and other things and all. Then
Yeah, out of that we cannot leave, sir, because
not
of you know that the inflation rate is increasing day by day. So we are not able to purchase goods and services with the low income cultivation from this farming.
excellent. Good explanation. Very happy. Acha, rabbits, how they will be disposed of to whom? In what manner are they disposed of? Or are they exported?
No, we are selling it to the shops nearby in our home city itself. Also, we are selling to some of our neighbors. They are also interested to have it.
Acha, oh,
Yes, sir.
a rabbit is used for as a meat or for what?
It is used for meat.
Meat only. Acha.
Yeah, meat only.
Oh, is it famous in Kerala?
Yeah, most of the places it is famous.
Oh, very good, very good. Excellent. So what are your further hobbies?
My further hobbies are playing badminton. I'm also interested in stock market. I do purchase and sale of these stocks.
Really good.
Yeah,
Which company shares you have more in number?
I have more numbers. Tata Motors. I have invested in Tata Motors in 2020 during this
But
Corona time. I
now,
haven't sold that shares.
Mhm.
I'm holding 1,000 shares.
Is the prices are increasing or decreasing?
Yeah, prices now it is 440 ranges. I have bought this share at 300. So I thought it for keeping in long time.
Acha, acha. Now it is coming down. Na? I think
Yeah, now it is
I was
coming
told
down
that
because of the last quarterly result.
yeah,
Because
Tata.
Tata Motors have made a lot loss in the last Q1.
Yeah. Can you please tell me what are the factors that influence stock market?
Yeah, definitely. There are global factors as well as the internal factors in the company. Talking about the global factors, when the inflation rate is increasing, then definitely the FAs, the foreign institutional investors, they will sell huge securities in our stock market and they will invest in their own country, like in their bond, which is low security income. So that is the one of the major concern. The next thing is when the quarterly result, and then when the performance of the company is not good, then definitely it will affect the stock market, especially the prices of the stock. If the next thing is the news is related to the stock, like mergers, acquisition, all those things also matters a lot.
Nice, nice. Everything correct except that you said news. Only news, singular,
Yeah,
plural.
news. Yeah, okay.
That's right. Now, can you analyze the movement of share price of Federal Bank?
Yes, sir. Now it is trading at 106.51. During the time of corona, means it was sold at 51 rupees. Now it is a jump. Definitely after 1.5 years, we can see that it is double now because of the last Q1 result. The federal bank's prices have increased. Before the result announcement, it was only about 98 rupees. So this is a major concern because we have increased, means we can see that the company's income and net profit has increased to 601 crores, which is 64% year on increase. Yes, sir.
Very, very happy, very, very happy. You are not attending my class also, na?
Sir, now for the last month, I have to deal with the quarterly clients as well as monthly clients. So I was attending, but I have attended only 4 or 5 classes.
So you are going through the videos at least?
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Very good. What is NPA?
NPA is non-performing asset. When the bank's loan or advances is the installment is pending for 90 days or more, it will be classified to non-performing asset. And following, the company has to classify it to 3 more categories, like substandard asset, doubtful asset, and loss asset. Substandard asset is when the NPA is less than 12 months and it is greater than 90 days, then it will be categorized to substandard asset category. When it is remains NPA for more than 12 months, it is categorized to doubtful asset. Then when the loss is identified by the company, it will be categorized to loss asset. And also after, even I felt like this NPA stayed for more than 3 years, it will be automatically gone through this loss asset.
Good. Very good. Very good. You're answering very well. Why should we select you?
Okay, sir. I'm an enthusiastic person. I like to serve the people, and it is because I get immediate job satisfaction. The second thing is I am dedicated and hardworking person. From the profile, you can understand that I have got spot award from the Ernst & Young for the dedication and perseverance shown at work. So I will be also performing my 100% in this organization also, since this is my dream job. I will be satisfying the client's 100% of my effort.
Super. Alan Joseph, I am extremely happy about your answers, excepting the ratio analysis where you are not prepared. Thoda prepare kar dijiye. And also, you know Hindi?
No, sir, I don't know Hindi.
Acha. So you please prepare on that, and also some marketing also. And
Sure, sir.
you please prepare for questions like how will you sell auto loan? I think I have already told in my videos a lot of places. How
Yes,
will
sir.
you sell? How will you sell housing loan? Then how will you sell the pen and all that? Practice kar dijiye. You are
Okay,
talking
sir.
very well.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So nice. I'm happy. How old are you?
I'm 23 years old, sir.
God bless you. Super.
Thank you, sir.
Other things remaining constant, you are a sure candidate. Please go through the latest current affair news also. What is the current affair news in Kerala regarding frauds? Bank
Yeah, it is about Karivannur Cooperative Bank. because this bank is run by the political party CPIM, and most of the cooperative bank, they are under fraud because of the practice, because
Yeah.
these okay.
Everything is right, but then run, you said. It is run only. There is
Okay,
no
okay,
word
sir.
as run. Otherwise, you
Okay.
are doing very well. Who is Urjit Patel?
Urjit Patel is the 24th RBI governor.
Raghuram
Past,
Rajan?
he is the 23rd RBI governor.
Who is the present president of India?
This is Sri Draupadi Murmu.
Who was our opponent?
Yashwant Singh Sinha.
Yashwant Sinha.
Yeah.
Yashwant Sinha. Good. Excellent. Now, who is the railway minister?
So I am not able to recollect that.
Ashwini Vaishnav.
Okay, Ashwini
No,
Vaishnav.
but
Okay,
you
sir.
must go through the list of union ministers, list of Kerala ministers. You
Okay,
must
sir.
go through the names of capital of various states, chief ministers, governors.
Okay, sir.
Sometimes they ask simple question. Please tell 5 states their chief ministers.
Okay.
So you must be able to answer such questions also. Otherwise, you are a sure candidate to be selected.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bhagwan Hai. And after the interview, send us the list of questions.
Yeah, sure, sir. We'll do that.
You have done a good job. 9 out of 10 or 9.5 out of 10. No problem. Good.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Best wishes.
Okay, sir. Thank you
God
for
bless
your
you.
valuable time.
God bless you. Go through the previous videos also.
Okay, sir.
And if possible, you come for today at what how are you placed at 9 o'clock?
Yeah, 9 o'clock.
Can you did you attend yesterday? No.
Yeah, yesterday I have attended.
Acha, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Then come whenever it's possible.
Okay,
Thank you.
sir. Sure.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I enjoy talking to you. Now,
Yes,
whenever
sir.
candidates answer nicely, it's a pleasure for us to conduct the interview. Best wishes.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.